Good morning guys! Today is December 15, 2024 and we're going to Villa de Oro in Tagaytay to celebrate our year-end party as well as to attend our gender and development training. Pero bago kami bumiyahe, bumili muna ako ng breakfast sa 7-Eleven. Actually, hindi naman masyadong mahaba yung biyahe. Pero kailangan busog tayo para hindi tayo susuka or hindi tayo mahilaw. Finally, we're here guys! Binababa lang namin yung mga gamit sa bus. Ang ganda ng lugar. I really love it. Sobrang payapa at sobrang lakas ng hangin guys. This is very relaxing for us.
Galit na si Kuya Marlon. Ma'am Jess, ang ganda mo. Ma'am Jess, say hi. Ay, guwapa. Oh, Ma'am Norin yarn.
At tinawag pa nga ako
Yes,
para
daw.
mag-picture guys.
Masilaw, Dok. Ala, ba't nag-flash on?
This is our venue. The house, it looks like antique na siya. Actually, pati yung mga gamit sa loob. I really love that. I think that's painting. And also, this mirror. Look guys.
Hi! Ganda.
This is the hall kung saan kami magpo-program. Actually guys, yung mga gamit namin dito na rin muna namin binaba kasi hindi pa kami pwedeng umakyat sa aming mga rooms. It's good for event talaga kasi malawak siya. And before we start our program, nag-breakfast muna kami at may kasama ng merienda.
Ang yaman, dala-dalawa. Ang dami, dala-dalawa.
Ano yan, hanggang merienda. Hanggang merienda na yan. Okay? Coffee is life.
Ang bango nga. Parang sarap magkape.
Oo. Saan ba?
Doon sa likod.
Sige.
Kape tayo.
Ano yan, ma'am? Okay lang magpupong sirada, ma'am. Saan kayo mamabaw? Kape. Gusto ko rin. Sige. Uy, bawal ka. Hindi lang, wala nang bawal-bawal kayo. Walang uwi sa Pilipinas. Wala. Oo nga eh. Bukas pa lang.
Sana dito pinag-isa na lang ni Sir Mike.
Okay ba? Bawal water lang talaga. Bawal ang spicy, bawal ang fried food.
magutuman.
Bawal
Sakarin
magutuman.
na marami.
Gaganyan
Bawal
ako.
ka rin mapagod ng sobra.
Isang taon na akong
3 years, ma'am.
ano,
Hindi ko alam kung
kapag
tama
pala mataas ang acid mo, prone ka sa capital C.
Gusto mo kape?
Ay.
Walang sakit, ma'am. Masaya ka. Pero pag nag-trigger,
Di ba isang linggo kang
Ngayon, sino mo na?
Alam, MC,
Oh, MC si Mama
si
Nana.
Mama Nana.
Siya na rin yung ano.
The program started and our dear Principal Sir Macoleta delivered his message and his welcome remarks for us teachers.
Kasama tayo din, no? Although alam ko naman pamilya tayo kay Ma'am Antonio taon-taon suki, no? She can still give and deliver, di ba ma'am, no? So babagoy siya sa mga baguhang teachers.
After that is the presentation of Yale from every department. So it started with the science department.
Who are we? We are the science, the mighty science. We are the science.
Wala. Practice.
Alright, thank you. Who are we? We are the science. We are the science. The mighty, mighty science.
Science, 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 science.
We are the science. We are the science. Let's go! Science para sa
Siyempre, hindi magpapakabog ang ICT Department.
LTT, laging practice. Five, six, seven, go. Five little monkeys, Humpty-Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo pong nakabuto, subukan niyong tumayo. I wanna be a good to be a little star. How they gotta know they got to there. Yeah. After my city door. Ay. ICT.
Next is the English Department.
Gusto ko yung sexy.
We also have the HUMS Department.
Dapat kayo parang nagtatago sila, sir. Okay. Okay. From the Department of HUMS Department. Okay, let's go. Matagal to. Baka mahilig kayo, ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ano? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Yung so yummy! Yung so good!
Gaya-gaya
Yung so yummy! Yung so good! Let's go, yung! Ay, ayaw ko magdag. Kaya nga bata.
All the department presented their yell, guys. Hindi ko lang na video lahat. And for the very important message this afternoon, it was given to us by our retired and very enthusiastic Ma'am Antonio, our guidance counselor. After the message, nabigyan kami ng time to practice our yell and also the Galaw Pilipinas. Required to, guys, so kailangan naming sumayaw.
Taga-outside para walang bias.
By the way, we are the Orange Team. At gusto ko lang sabihin na nanalo kami ng first
Ganun yung
place.
atake.
General,
Yung mo naman.
from our costume in Galaw Pilipinas, also in our yell and our banner. So, enjoy the video, guys!
Diba? Usok-usok lang yung mga panyo eh.
Pero may sapatos. Eh, sapatos kay Melvin yan. Ang gagawin, Ma'am Claire?
Diba, Jasmine? Very ano yung ilaw.
Ang cute niyo, parang
Kaya
Barbie
good luck
lang
mamaya
dating.
sa games. Kasi medyo yung ating ilaw ay ano ba itong tawag sa ganitong ilaw? Dim light.
Sexy naman.
Okay, Ori.
Si Mami, tawang-tawa. Si Mami. Wow! Go, Sir Louie! Yung red team natulala na. Wala na raw pag-asa. Galing. Ma'am Rayel Legorio yan. Go, Ma'am Dayan! Go, Kuya Marlon! Si Kuya Marlon. Si Kuya Marlon.
Let's go! Let's go!
May second voice, may third voice. Kinabahan kasi Ano?
Tayo ang bandila ng green team!
1, 2, 3, go!
Wag na lang sana siya magsalita. Hindi pa naka-rubber yan. Naka-chinelas lang yan. Kaya nga.
Back down, everyone! Never give up! Let's go, Team Verde! Who are we? G! R! E! E! A!
Go, dear! Dear! Oh, baby! Tawa-tawa lang yun sa kagrupo niya. Ano yan? Di nila kabisado rin? Ano yan? Oo, daw. Oh. Go, dear! Ay, hindi nila kabisado. Si Ma'am Maybell at tawa. Ah, next. Nawala rin sila mo. Ay. Si Ma'am Blessing. Woo! Gumamapol. Ano pa?
We really enjoyed the night with the awesome performances. Pagkatapos niya, nagkaroon din kami na exchange gift. Pero hindi na ako sumali guys kasi wala akong nabiling regalo. Thank you for watching!